Watercolour Animals for the Absolute Beginner, Matthew Palmer. Search Press, have been publishing books for over 50 years. Have a quick flick through together, shall we? So the first half of the book is all the little essential things that you need for your watercolour painting. Look, how to sketch animals. Love the section on sketching animals in there. Breaking down into shapes. Colour mixing is in there as well. How to control the amount of water that you use in your paint as well. Working with primary colours. It's beautiful. Really, really pleased with this. The essential materials needed. Then as we move on in the book, it's got a step-by-step project on painting an elephant that goes through not only the sketch but takes you through all the essential techniques that you need for your painting to produce this wonderful painting of this elephant, from everything down to the highlights right the way through. That's the finished result there, so you can see what a nice job it is. Then it moves into the middle. Now these are the big parts, these are the projects. This is where it gets that little bit more exciting, you know, because what we've got here is fold out tracings of each project. For example, here is the panda. These fold out so you can actually trace them on a large sheet of watercolour paper. These are A3 in size. Sea turtle there. The snow leopard is in there. So there's actually 9, 10, 11 projects with tracings as well. Look at that beautiful cheetah there. Love it. It seems such a long time ago that I painted these down at the studios at Search Press. We've got penguins to enjoy. These are the mini projects. You've got the goldfinch to enjoy. You've got the leaping dolphins, beautiful leaping dolphins there. Look at that, love it. And then of course you've got the parrot. This is where you start to get into the more adventurous projects. How to do all the feather detail. Look at that beautiful parrot there. This is the cheetah here. Probably my favourite one. I love painting the cheetah portrait. Every step detailed in beautiful Search Press quality. The sea turtle here, always going to be a crowd favourite. Love the sea turtle there. And then towards the back of the book, we've got the panda eating the bamboo. Look at that. Beautiful, that. And then there's the polar bear. It's a very healthy book for $12.99. There's the polar bear walking in the snow. And then right at the back of the book, we have this, the mother and baby giraffe. So a very thick 160-page book, and I'd love you to pick up a copy.